Okay, so last example we have example 3 given two vertices -4, -5 and -4, 9, and one of its foci is -4, 2 minus square root of 65. So since ang given nato is vertices, we can identify the value of A, but lisod siya identify. So ang atong buhaton una, find the center. Para pag makuha na tong center, ato lang lantawon ang A unit towards the vertex para makuha na to ang A. So para sa center, the same lang po sa number 2, we use the midpoint formula, x sub 2 plus x sub 1 over 2 and y sub 2 plus y sub 1 over 2. We consider this as point 2 and this is point 1. X sub 2 we have -4, x sub 1 -4, so i-add na to, we have -8 over 2 would be -4. Y sub 2 we have 9 plus y sub 1 -5, so i-add 9 plus -5, we have 4 over 2, we have 2. Okay, so din ako na elaborate. So now we have the center nga -4 and 2. Kung ato nang itry pag-graph, the vertices would be ang atong center is kani, which is -4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, 2, mao na itong center, and the vertices would be -4, -5, kani siya, mao ni ang V1 o mao ni ato ang V2. Kung inyong i-observe, our transverse axis is vertical, patindo. And para ma-identify na ito ang A, we just count the units, the distance from this point to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means our A is 7. The same po na dre. Kaya mo na i-count 7 po na siya. It means ang ito ang A is 7. Next, our C is square root of 65. Ganong C square root of 65 man is since the center is -4, 2. And try to observe that the given foci is -4, 2 minus square root of 65. So, gi-minusan C2 ng square root of 65. It means mo na itong value ng C. Square root of 65 units. No? One of its foci man. Mo na siya. So, it means our C is square root of 65. Now, nanatay C, nanatay A, we can identify the B. B is equal to square root of C squared minus A squared. C is square root of 65, and then squared, we have 65. A is 7, we have squared, we have 49. So, square root of 65 minus 49 is square root of 16. Square root of 16 is 4, so we have the value of B nga 4. So, nanatay A, nanaputay B. We can now write our equation, but try to remember that our transverse axis is vertical. Kung vertical, it means along Y ang transverse axis. Kung along Y ang transverse axis, it means ang Y maoy positive, ang X maoy negative. Mao nang nahimo siyang Y minus 2 squared over 49 minus X plus 4 squared over 16 equal to 1. Nanong Y minus 2 since our center is -4, 2. Take note, this is H, this is K, and always remember nga ang partner ni Y is K. So Y minus, since K is 2, we have Y minus 2. And partner ni X is H. Since H is -4, so we have X plus 4. And also, ang A nato is 7. So, A squared, we have 49. Now, diri ang A, since positive man ni always, ang A is nasa positive. And our B is 4, so 4 squared, we have 16. Morning, ato ang equation is Y minus 2 squared over 49 minus X plus 4 squared over 16 equal to 1. So, mo ni ang sa number.